It's no easy thing to follow in your father's footsteps, especially if your father is one of the iconic living bluesmen of all time, the legendary B.B. King. In fact, following in the footsteps of a legendary bluesman could in itself be the basis for a 12-bar blues song. Yet B.B. King's youngest daughter, Claudette King, has found a voice of her own. She's put together a joyful and sensual debut album. It's a contemporary mix of blues, R&B, pop, and jazz, and it has a playful name. We're on to something.
Little by little, step by step, one laugh, one kiss at a time. Nothing is certain, but if I had to bet, I bet my very last time. We're on to something. We're on to something. Baby, we're on to something. And it sure does feel like love. We're on to something. I'm gonna call a few of my buddies and a few of the men I know. I'm gonna rent a hall and get them all and put on a heck of a show. Make sure we got a kitchen